Welcome everyone. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to our Sota i1L Bandido Rapid Cook Oven with Panini Press, the smallest oven in our i-Series Rapid Cook lineup. This marine version is specifically designed for cruise lines, but for cooking purposes today, it operates the same as a non-marine Sota. At just 16 inches wide, it may be compact, but it packs a powerful punch. This oven utilizes our cutting-edge Rapid Cook technology, significantly reducing cooking times for ultimate efficiency. Now, let's delve into what makes our Rapid Cook technology so exceptional. We've combined two strong energy sources in this oven: high-speed impingement air and top-launch microwave energy. The impingement air, propelled through top and bottom jet plates, creates a forced air convection that's highly efficient and precise. Meanwhile, the top-launch microwave energy acts as assist to reduce cooking times without compromising the quality of the food. It also ensures compatibility with metallic trays when you remove the panini press, enhancing versatility in cooking options. The Sota i1L Bandido features our user-friendly one-touch interface, which is standard across all TurboChef ovens. With unlimited recipe storage and simplified menu settings, cooking with our ovens has never been easier. Once your menu is loaded, cooking becomes as easy as a single touch. A unique feature of the Sota is the removable panini press. It achieves perfect grill marks on sandwiches, wraps, and more. You can place a tray on the clothes press if you don't need to use it, or you can remove it altogether if you require more cavity space and need to use metallic trays. We're starting with 6-ounce salmon fillets. To start off, simply load your dish into the oven, close the door, and select the corresponding icon on the interface. We've dialed in our settings, but keep in mind you'll want to adjust based on your menu and preferences. In the Sota, you can adjust the top and bottom blowers to better achieve your preferred top and bottom browning of the food, as well as microwave assist. The oven will handle the rest, alerting you when your dish is perfectly cooked. Just open the door, retrieve your dish, and it's as simple as that. We'd also prepared smashed potatoes with the settings you see on screen. Finally, we have a 10-inch pizza, and we are utilizing our manual mode. After adding your pizza in the oven cavity, go to Settings. You can either start the cooking process from this screen, or you can easily add the settings to a recipe and then to a group. The capabilities of this small oven are endless, and we've only shown you a few dishes you can cook with our Sota i1L Bandido. Precision cooking has never been easier. Thanks for tuning in.